You are watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftatacademy.com. www.netsoftatacademy.com.
Welcome back to Microsoft Teams Beginner Series. In this final video of the series, we will dive into some great tips, tricks, and settings to help you customize your Microsoft Teams and use it more effectively. Whether you want to cut down the distractions, move faster, or you want to personalize your workspace, I've got you covered here. So let's get started. So let's start with notifications, because staying in the loop is quite important, but not at the cost of your focus though. So in Teams, you can choose banner notification that pops up on your screen, or go with feed-only notification, which stays in the Activity tab. You can also mute chats or channels if they're getting too noisy. And you can turn on the Do Not Disturb mode when you need uninterrupted work time. Well, getting your notification just right helps you stay informed without feeling overwhelmed or bombarded with a lot of notification at the same time. Next up is your status. Well, here, Teams let you set your availability with a simple indicator, which you will see on top right corner with your avatar. Here you can set your status for your availability. You can say, I'm available, which shows up as a green circle. You can put yourself as busy, or you can say, I'm away. Or you want to write a custom status message, well, you can do that too. So here, maybe you can share what's working on in your environment and what's not working properly. You can say, I'm working on a specific project. I'm busy. Whatever your message is to the team, you can write it there. So it automatically resets after some time too. So if you write a custom message and you forget to remove it, well, it will be removed automatically. So it is super useful for your breaks or your focus on your own task, and to tell everyone not to disturb me. Now, if you're all about working smarter, this one is for you. Here, Teams have a built-in / command, like /call to quickly start a call, /files to jump into your recent document, or you can say /go to open a team or channel directly. There are also keyboard shortcuts for almost everything, from starting a new chat to navigating between sections. You can start using them. It just makes the whole process much faster and streamlined. Now, let's make Teams feel like your own space. Here, you can customize it. You can personalize it if you want. You can switch to dark mode if you prefer a dimmer look. You can choose between themes to match your vibe. Or you can reorder the sidebar application. You can move things up and down. Well, a little personalization goes a long way in making Teams more enjoyable to use every day. Plus, it will increase your focus as well. Now, Teams is not just for chatting and meetings. It has a lot of other useful applications. When it comes to your built-in apps that help you get more done, you will rely on Teams. You just go to Teams, click on Apps, and it will open the whole marketplace for you. Now, from the marketplace, you can click on the categories, and you can find the apps in those categories, like productivity or media control, and any other category you want. Now, here are some examples. How about you go with Planner? That is actually great for tracking to-do list and managing small projects. This is just a really well laid out to-do list by Microsoft. Or you can go with the application called Forms. This is perfect for creating surveys, or you want to do a quick poll. Here you don't need to leave Teams. You can stay on the team, create forms, push it, get the results, all in just one dashboard. Well, don't forget about the mobile apps as well. It's incredible if you can just use your phone on the go and you stay connected with your project, with your team. Well, with the team application on your phone, you can do this. You can join meetings, reply to chats, or check notification anytime. You can also customize your mobile notification settings to fit your schedule. And yes, you can even use dark mode on the mobile too. It's a great way to stay connected without being tied to your desk or your laptop all the time. Now let's quickly do a recap on all these features we discussed, but on the portal. All right, now let's make some changes to the appearance and also the status, which shows up to all the other members. So you will go to your Teams dashboard, and then on top, you will click on the settings and go to settings. And over here, you can change the configuration of your Teams, how it actually behaves and the layout and also the appearance. So if you click on general, on here system, you can either toggle for start, auto start Teams, or let's say you want to log in and then you want to open Teams, you can uncheck this option. But I keep it auto start. Then open application in background, you can select that. On close, keep application running. So if you uncheck it and you close it, well, the Teams is closed. If you get any notification, you will not see it because the instance is gone. But if you want to keep Teams active, then enable it. Register the new Teams as the chat application for your 365. Well, if you're using 365 ecosystem, in that case, registering the Teams as your primary chat application makes sense. So I will select that. Now, open content in Teams window. Well, do you want it to get open in the same window, or you want it to be a separate window which you can drag around? You can select that. How do you want to start a chat? Again, a new window or in the same window. Plus, you can change your language and regional format, time zone, even translation, and so many other options. If you click on appearance, this is where you can set up your theme. Let's say I go with dark. It will immediately change. Or if you prefer it according to your system's theme, then you can click on follow operating system theme. You can also go classic, light, and even high contrast. In some cases, if let's say your vision is not that, I will say, healthy, right? And you want it to be high in contrast, you can do that. In my case, let's make it back to dark. Plus, for your emojis, if you want to set a specific skin tone, mostly by default it is yellow, but you can make it light and dark according to your preference. Then you have settings for your chat and channels, notification and activities, account and organization, where you can maintain multiple accounts. Privacy, if you want to, let's say, share your location or not. Accessibility, device management, calls, file and links, app permission, and recognition. Yeah, even you can register your voice and face to authenticate you. So remember, this is not to actually authenticate you or sign you up with Teams. No, it actually verifies your voice and face. Then Teams understand that it is actually you. And let's say you are talking in a group meeting. Team
will recognize your voice and put your name under it, under your avatar. Or it will also learn your face so that it can authenticate you who you are, and then again put your name in the participant list or in the meeting. Plus, knowing your actual voice pattern also help team to do a better job in noise cancellation. Now, let's say you want to add another application here, which helps you to manage your day better. So you can always do that. Let's add Planner. So search for your application, whatever you need, and then add it. So I want to add Planner here, so I will say Get Started, and here you go. So whenever you log in now, a planner will be in your apps folder. So click on it, and here you can create your plan. It's actually a really good glorified to-do list, basically. Now, what if others wants to see if you're active and they can approach you or not? Well, in that case, you can change your status icon to available, or if you're busy, you can keep it busy, do not disturb, be right back, and appear away. Plus, you can also set up your status message demo, and done. This way, other team members can also see your status and understand it if you are busy or you're actively working with some project, and when to actually approach you. So let's say this is my team member, a different team member, and I search for Ravi, and I click on it. Here I can see the status plus also the status message.
And that's a wrap on this video and the full Microsoft Teams beginner series. Thank you so much for following along with me. If you found this series helpful, please like it, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends or someone who might benefit with this video. And if you have any question or want to dive deeper into any part of Teams, let us know in the comment section. Until next time, happy teaming. Take care.
Thank you for watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftatacademy.com. www.netsoftatacademy.com.